Hello and welcome to day 9 of our Solve With This, the Taskmaster Advent Calendar.
Yay! I'm Laura Jane Ayres.
I'm Gareth Moore, and we are puzzle and brain training authors, but we are not writing puzzles today. We're solving, and yesterday we discovered that day 9 was... Where was day 9?
Day 9 was up on
here.
the roof with a blue duck.
Yeah,
there we
up
are.
here.
Sounds like a murder mystery, but it's not.
The roof with the blue duck. That's not a very catchy title. The murder with the blue duck?
I don't know.
Something with the blue duck.
A working title.
Day 9. Okay, the lasso task in Series 9 was supposed to be a tiebreak, but David Baddiel's attempt was too good to leave out.
Okay.
All right.
Day 9. Ooh, exciting.
So we have the little envelope. Shall we open it?
Extra materials. Yes, we shall.
Complete the dot to dot. I love dot to dots. You have until tomorrow. Your time starts now. I've made so many dot to dots.
You do love a dot to dot.
Is the dot to dot on this, do we think?
Let's find out. It's either on this.
It's like a
It's a little envelope, isn't it?
It is an envelope. And inside...
Fun.
Ooh, it's got actual dots to push out.
Ooh, so they must go on...
Oh, there are numbers on the back.
Yeah.
So if we switch to this view and look on the back of the calendar,
Yeah.
there are already some numbers here.
Ah, so we can place the other ones.
So we have to press these
on
out
top.
and place them where they go.
Great.
Based presumably on the pictures on the other side. I'll start with the numbered side first. All right. So
Okay.
we've got, on this one it says Oki. So we're looking for the text that says Oki, right?
Oki.
Presumably this text. It's not quite a colour match. Looking, yeah, agreed. So there's day 6. Move
Great.
these to the side so we don't get confused.
Yeah.
And then on the back of here we've got Twa, which is somewhere. So very accurately summarised. Yeah, where's Twa? Towering has got T-O-W. I mean, the Twa could be somewhere else. The 12th day of Christmas. Oh, it's very at the top, right? Oh, right next to 3. Are we going to draw on the back of the calendar?
I don't know.
Okay, we can always do it digitally. A question, a big question, in fact. Is it over here?
Here, yeah.
There, I think, yeah. So
Great.
there's number 8. I want to rotate it so it's neat. And then we've got 2, which is what looks like a boxing glove. It is...
It's a tiny set of balloons,
Okay,
and
there
they
we
appear
go.
on the front of the calendar, which means that they're here.
Ooh, well
Fun.
spotted. 2.
Okay, and
we've finally got
what does
10.
10? And that's Greg's face.
Is it?
Yeah,
It is Greg's face. And he is very sad, but by here.
but crucially, he's over there. So do we have all the numbers? 1.
Yes.
Okay.
We could set it out with pens. 1 to 2. This may be a terrible idea. What do you
I
think?
like this.
1 to 2. 2 to 3. 3 to 4. 4 to 5 is back there, so I won't draw
Okay.
that. 5 to 6
Down
is
here.
here. 6 to 7. 7 to 8. Where's 8? Over here.
here.
So that's back over itself. 8 to 9. And then 10 is here. And 11 and 12.
So it looks like 35.
Oh, it does look like 35. Ignore the bits that are chopped off here.
Should we
Well,
see if we can find a reference to 35 on the front?
Yeah, I think so. It's not a picture anyway, is it? It's through 35.
Okay. Going to get rid of our hard work now, placing those dots. Let's hope we were right. Bye,
Bye-bye.
dots.
Bye, dots. Dot off. 35. Ah, the time on this clock.
Great. So this should say day...
Should say day 10. Okay.
Okay. Say day 10. Yay!
There we go. We've solved it.
Yay!
If you enjoyed that, do please join us for the one we just opened for day 10 tomorrow.
See you there.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.